Hi, hello everyone. My name is Kunal Doshi. I'm Chartered Financial Analyst. How are you doing? Well, this video is about the launching of my CFA Level 1 entire course absolutely free on my YouTube channel. Now, 2 years back, on occasion of my daughter's birthday, during the same time, I had launched one of the course called CA Final SFM on my channel. And the response was so amazing. Every day I used to get so many messages from students across the country as to how much it has helped them. So I thought, why not I should do that every day, every year, if possible, every day. Why should I not launch a course every year about what I've done in the past? So, a couple of years back, I'd done the recording of entire CFA Level 1 with students on Zoom, and it was a 150-hour recording live in the batch, completely unedited and raw. So I thought, why not upload it rather than keeping it in my drive? So here's a video in form of a playlist that I'm uploading on my channel. You can definitely enjoy, learn, and help yourself in case if you're doing self-preparation. This video is not for those who are going to prepare for the future. It's not exactly going to match topic by topic or reading by reading, but to a larger extent, the objective is to get clear with the concepts. So the concepts more or less remain the same. The institute every year updates the curriculum. They have some cosmetic changes, some bigger changes. So it might not match reading to reading, but what I've seen is that to a larger extent, more than 70 to 80% of those videos will be really helpful. So this is for all those who want to begin with understanding what CFA is. So instead of blocking your huge amount in the course or joining a big class and blocking your amount and then realizing whether it's helpful or not, it's better you can go through these videos absolutely free and make up a call after a couple of lectures that whether this is easy to do or not. So this video is for all those who want to begin the program and are unable to decide whether to do or not, and they want to get an understanding of things. Second, this video is for all those who cannot afford costly lectures, which was the case with me as well in my during my time of CFA, but my professors really helped me to go through it. My professors funded my CFA, and my trusts and friends and families, they funded it. So I know it's costly. It's not affordable to everyone. So for them, this is going to be a good beginning, right? You can actually see this and probably get the best help. Also, those who have already registered themselves with CFA with other institutes or professors, for them this can be a complementary of understanding some of the critical concepts, because I've tried simplifying in the best possible manner by using my last 10 to 12 years of experience of training. I've tried simplifying using my techniques. So I've done this program from my lens, which will be really helpful for you for sure. I think so. Finally, my intention is to upload every year some course free on the channel. So I have a portfolio of free courses on my channel. This is something I wanted to create always because I've earned everything from the education sector. So whatever I am today is because of education. So I thought that there is some way to give it back, and I'm doing nothing great thing. I'm just uploading my older courses on my channel. I would love to upload my new course also freely on the channel unless I get the other source of making money. This is where I will every year try to upload one course absolutely free on the channel. And if you really find this useful, you can reach out to Maximum. You can share this information to Maximum. If you want to connect me with me on LinkedIn, this is where I upload notes and formulas and interesting posts. I feel it's interesting. So you can connect me on LinkedIn. On my Instagram, I upload short informative reels. I love making those reels, so you can see how they help you in finance. These are all finance and politics and economics. Those are my passion. These are reels related to that. On YouTube is where I upload my entire course. However, if you want to purchase any of my course, or if you want to download any informative material, you can log on to my website called www.eduinvest.in. This is where you can find a plethora of courses and information, right? Once again, share this video to maximum possible so that they can get the benefit of this. You never know who is in need of it. And definitely this will be really helpful to most of the people who are planning to do CFA. Right? If you need any further information, you can reach out to me at the below description. I'll be always happy to help. Your feedbacks are very essential. So do comment whether you've liked this playlist or not. And if you need any further help, do reach out to me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. All the best for your careers. Make wonders in your careers and reach out to maximum possible. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.